Hello dear students, today I'm here to teach you a new topic called agriculture, and it is an important topic for every one of us because we should be knowing what agriculture is all about. Now, what is agriculture and how it is derived from a Latin word? I will tell you this Latin word ager meaning soil and culture meaning cultivation. So we can frame a definition for agriculture like agriculture is defined as the art and science of cultivating the soil and raising the crops and livestock. Now let's talk about the different practices of agriculture. Now we must have heard about sericulture. It is rearing of silkworm. Now we all know why do we produce silk. So we do produce silk for, silk clothes. Now horticulture is growing vegetables, fruits and flowers for our daily consumption, for human consumption. Similarly, we have viticulture. Viticulture is cultivation of grapes and pisciculture is breeding of fish for our general use. Now, in the next topic, you will see different type of economic activities. Now, what do you mean by economic activities? Those kind of activities which bring monetary funds to our country and which is very beneficial for all of us. Now, agriculture, as we all know, is one of the most important economic activities. Now there are three type of basic economic activities, like one is your primary activity, secondary activity and tertiary activity. As you can see in the image here, now in the first section, which is primary activity, which deals with production of raw material, it could be wood, it could be cotton for cotton clothes, it could be iron ore for making steel, it could be crude oil for making petrol, diesel, natural gas, etc. So that includes primary activity. Now in the next slide, I will show you what these three types of different economic activities are meant for. Now, let's talk about or let's understand each one of them one by one. So first is primary activity. It includes the extraction of raw materials from the earth's surface. Now, there could be many type of raw material like we eat, fruits and vegetables which we directly consume. Similarly, we wear cotton clothes. So what would be the raw material for cotton clothes? It could be cotton, correct? Now, crude oil, which is also known as petroleum, which we obtain from mining, right? Mining from the earth's surface. Now, crude oil can be converted into the finished products like petrol, diesel, natural gas, kerosene, etc. Similarly, now secondary activity, once we are done with the primary activity, we move to the secondary activity, and it includes the processing of raw materials and converting them into finished goods of higher value. Now, once we produce the raw material like cotton, what would be done for this cotton? So industries like making of steel from iron ore and weaving cloth from cotton is known as secondary activity. Now tertiary activity, the third type of economic activity, which is basically the combination of primary as well as secondary activity. So we can say that it includes all types of services which support the primary as well as secondary activities. So it could be what? It could be transport, because the raw material when they are produced we need to transport them, and even the finished products like in industries whenever we weave cloth, but that cloth need to be transported to different places, right? Even if we are growing the raw material as wheat, that wheat can be converted into bread in industries as secondary activity, but that secondary activity can be converted into tertiary activity if we transport it to the general public for human consumption. Similarly, for education, we need paper, right? So for the paper, we have raw material as wood, and that wood can be processed into paper in the secondary activity in different paper making industries. And once we do that, we can use those paper in education purpose or in education field. And same with advertising and banking. All right. So I hope you are clear with all these topic. What is agriculture, and what is different types of agriculture practices, what are the economic activities. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.